Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Seldi, and then today I want to do a review on I just got a Reanult Clio 1.6 turbocharged. I like to call it a rocket pocket. This little thing, it's also equipped with automatic EDC transmission. The only thing that I did here is downpiped, and still planning to put it on maybe stage 2, but I'm still deciding on that. So let's get inside and hear how it sounds. And then I will later do a video on the features and all that. It sounds quite nice. And there's my friend over there is driving a Mercedes C180. It's downpiped. I can't remember if it's on stage 2 or stage 1. As you can hear, I'm gonna open the window. It's not in sport mode yet. Let's put it in sport mode. You hear the difference. Now I can try to rev it a bit. There's a little bit of pop and bangs. So let's hit the road and hear how this thing actually sounds. I have to tell him to go. And that thing is sick also. You must listen to the sound of that thing also. Yo. Mine is not yet warmed up because I see still flashing that my engine is still my engine is still cool. So let me open the window so that you guys hear the sound of this thing. Now let's hear the sound. I'll do a full review of the features and all that on the next video. So let's hear this one. It has some pop and bangs. reaction of the guys when you rev this thing up. Check the people there. People are cheering me on to rev this thing up. So yeah, it's not a dull car, this one. Yeah, this 1.6 it's a bit aggressive. That one is a 1.8, but yeah. Yeah, these little machines, they churn petrol, so yeah, it's filling up, then we're heading back. Listen to that thing when it starts it up. Ang ride mina malu. Ngamin ang ride.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sharp.
Sure.